Verifying your Indeed account is an important step to ensure that your job applications and profile are secure. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Visit the Indeed website. Go to the Indeed website and log into your account using your registered email address and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings by clicking on your profile icon or name, usually located in the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Find verification options. In the account settings menu, look for the verification section. This may be labeled as account verification or something similar. Step 4. Choose verification method. Select your preferred method for verification. This could include options like verifying your email address, phone number, or connecting your LinkedIn account. Step 5. Complete the verification process. Follow the prompts to complete the verification process. This may involve clicking a link sent to your email or entering a code sent to your phone. After completing these steps, your Indeed account should be verified. Regularly check your account settings to ensure everything remains up to date.